Welcome to day 1 of our meditation journey. I'm so happy you're here. Whether you've never meditated before or you're starting again, this journey is for you. Okay, every day we'll spend a little more time together, starting with just 1 minute and gradually building a peaceful daily habit. There's nothing to achieve, nothing to force. Just show up, breathe, and allow yourself to be present. Find a comfortable position, relax your shoulders, gently close your eyes. If that feels comfortable, take one slow, deep breath in. Again, breathe in slowly. Now allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Simply notice each inhale If your mind begins to wander, that's completely okay. Breathing in Take one final deep breath. Gently open your eyes. Tomorrow we'll continue with day 2, where we'll deepen our breathing practice and take another step toward inner peace. Thank you for meditating with me.